I got to go to church on Easter. It was awesome. So refreshing. So good. The people that took me, their daughter got baptized that day. So that was awesome. Huge shout out to Whitney and Curtis for taking the time to not only drive half an hour to pick me up from the trail, but take me back and feed me dinner and, of course, take me to church the next day and then take me back out into the trail so that I didn't ever even have to take a zero. Really, really appreciate that.
I think I need to splash some of that on my face. It's a hot one today. I splashed some water on me and it like immediately disintegrated. There's more water coming up. I'll just keep doing it. Those are some huge rocks. Okay, I've been talked into going up here to refresh myself. My arm didn't have to get twisted all that bad. Oh, this already feels so good. I'm so hot today. Oh, it feels good. I'm not regretting it. I might stay here. I gotta show you how pretty it is though. It's so cold. Okay. Much better. I'm sure it's gonna feel great to walk sopping wet, but I don't care. Not to be dramatic, but that may have been the smartest thing I've ever done. I feel so much better. The wet pants, they feel amazing. They're still kind of cold. And like my shirt's already dry because it's hot. That was good. I think it'll make this last little steep incline a little bit easier. There's another part of it up higher. Everything's so lush and green and so many flowers right now. It's very lovely. I bet that is gorgeous in the fall. Today's been a really pleasant hike after I went in the waterfall. Before then it was kind of hard. After then it's been really nice, which is good because I have a lot on my mind today. Like, nothing bad. Well, that's not, okay. Just praying for a friend who's going through a very, very rough thing. So I guess that is bad, but, anyway, yeah, and just lots on my mind from church today, and just lessons I think God's trying to teach me, which usually I spill all the beans to all of the strangers on my YouTube channel, but there's something else God's working on my heart that wowza, look at that, that might not be like, yeah, I'll keep it to myself for now, which is rare for me. But thankful for all the time to think and pray. I'm at the shelter, or almost there, but I see like a ton of tents set up, which isn't always a good sign. I might not be able to find a spot to put mine. Fingers crossed. I didn't bother checking on Faro because usually water sources at shelters are the longest. Water source is from the shelter is like 0.1. This one is a quarter mile, 0.25. It's crazy. And yeah, I rolled up and there's literally, I should take a picture later. It's like tent city. There's like 2 tent cities. I feel really claustrophobic, so I don't know. I threw my pack down at like this tiny spot that's absolutely surrounded by a bunch of other tents. I feel super icky about it, but I did see another spot on the way down to the water that was a little bit better, only surrounded by like 6 tents instead of like 10. Oh well. Would have been a good night to stealth camp.
So I know that I'm famous for, like, someone said on one of my other videos, like, that was a cliffhanger at the end. I know. If you haven't figured out by now, I like to be in the moment. So, basically for this night, yeah, I showed up. I was feeling super claustrophobic, and I felt like I had to go, like, rock in a corner because there was, like, too many people. But I got over it, and then went to the complete opposite end of the spectrum and had the most fun night just socializing, singing, talking with everybody at the picnic table, to the point where I was like, oh crap, it's like almost sunset and I hadn't set my tent up yet. So anyway, it was a good night.